Good day to everyone. I am Nupara P and these are my teammates Kushi and Vidhi. We are from class 8 Excel Public School, Mysore.
We took the problem statement Sustainable Development. How can we promote sustainable kitchen gardening to support healthy living and reduce dependency on chemical growth?
As urbanization grows, people often lose touch with nature and healthy eating. However, kitchen garden offers an opportunity to reconnect with nature, grow organic produce, and lead a healthier lifestyle.
To address this need, we have created the GreenGo Organic Kitchen Garden Kit, a comprehensive solution for starting and maintaining your very own kitchen garden. The kit provides vermicompost and bioagent-rich manure to naturally enhance soil fertility and promote healthy plant growth. It also provides organic plant foods including Panchagavya, Jivamrita, Saptadanyankur and Bijamrita, which provides essential nutrients for plants and improve their overall vitality.
It also contains eco-friendly pest management solutions such as Neemastra, Brahmastra, Agniastra and NSTE that protects plants from pests without causing harm to the environment and human health, and also contains user manual, a step-by-step guide for setting up, nurturing and maintaining your kitchen garden.
All the products in this kit were prepared by our students as a part of their agriculture skill development program, which focuses on hand-on learning and sustainable practices.
The kit is tailored for urban households, ensuring that even those with limited space or experience can create a thriving organic garden. By utilizing our sustainable inputs, gardeners can cultivate a variety of vegetables, fruits, and herbs that are free from harmful chemicals.
What makes GreenGo Kit unique? It promotes 100% organic gardening to support health and sustainability. It is affordable, making it accessible to everyone. It includes detailed user manual with step-by-step guide for setting up, nurturing, and maintaining your kitchen garden.
I, Nupura, conducted product research and selected components for the kit.
I, Kushi Shah, created the user manual and designed the package for practices.
I, Vriddhi, worked on promoting awareness and presenting the GreenGo Kit to potential users.
Together, with the guidance of our mentor, we developed a product that empowers people to grow their own food, reduces reliance on chemically grown produce, and reconnects with the nature.
To conclude, the GreenGo Organic Kitchen Garden Kit is more than just a product. It's a step towards a healthier, greener, and more sustainable future for everyone.
Grow green with GreenGo.
Thank you.